If you're looking for a small SUV that's ready for both city streets and weekend trails, take a look at this 2022 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend right here at Bryan's Car Corner in Chickasha. This one is riding on four-wheel drive, has right around 42,000 miles, and is powered by an efficient 1.5-liter, three-cylinder engine rated at 25 city, 28 highway MPG. It's also loaded with driver assist tech, including lane keeping assist, pre-collision warning, blind spot sensors, and rear cross traffic alert, all wrapped up in that gray exterior. The Bronco Sport line was designed to bring genuine off-road capability into a compact, everyday-friendly package. This one is priced at $24,988 plus a $299 dock fee for a final price of $25,287, plus tax, tag, and title. We work with over 30 banks and credit unions. Give us a call or visit bryans.carcorner.com to schedule your test drive today.